Hello, my name is Dan Locke. I ride for Fury Bikes. I'm the owner and operator of 63 Fixed and Southampton Fixed Gear. I'm currently sponsored by Skids Clothing in Wisconsin in America, which is pretty rad. And this is my bike. I've just finished building it myself. It's a Charge Scissor V2 frame. It sort of like appealed to me a couple of months ago, and I really sort of wanted to change from a charge plug to something a bit more, you know, with a better geometry. But it's all right. Like, it's not like amazing. It's all right. You know, I'm just gonna test it out. So yeah, this is it. It's got some serious tyre clearance on the back and a really nice gusset, which makes it stronger, of course. But yeah, it's alright. The only thing is that the bottom bracket's a bit low. So my next bike will probably be a higher bottom bracket. So because it's just really low, and you know, the top tube length is alright. I mean, there's a bit. It could do with a bit more bar spin clearance, but it's alright. I mean, it'll give me something to play with for a little while. So yeah, starting from the top, we've got the best grips. These are the ODI long necks, cut down, because I cut the flange off. I don't like the flange because it kept getting in the way. But yeah, these are ODI long necks. Really like them. I did have some 14 Bico bar ends, but the screws kept coming off. But I'm gonna get some more. I just cut down these bars actually, and did a bodge job. But I'm gonna file that down a bit. But no, the bars were just really long, and I kept hitting my knees every time I did a bar spin. So cut them down a bit. Whack some bar ends in there later. These are gusset open prism bars with a 3-inch rise. They're like dark chrome, which is pretty rad.
I like it a lot.
So open prism bars. This Thompson sent me a few bits. This is a Thompson Bmx Stem. It's made from 7075 aluminium, and it's got 6 bolts, which is pretty cool. I mean, not many people have 6 bolts on their stem, so I thought I'd be a bit different. Get that piece of bling. Got a few spacers in here, a few of them bad boys, and a Crank Brothers headset in there. It's quite cool. Going down the head tube, got these right here. These are Esb Forks from 14 Bike Co. They're really cool. They're really strong too. They got the drill bits in there. They're really cool as well. So if you want to run pegs, that's ace. And made from 853 Reynolds tubing. And in here you've got a steel T45 steerer in there, which is rad. My front hub is a Sadio Super Spark hub in there, and they got female bolts as well, which is sick. Female bolts, I'm really liking that. I've got some Sapim spokes laced to a P35 from Velocity. Check that shit right there. Velocity P35s. They're friggin' wide. Like, when I got them, they're so wide. Which is really good, really strong stuff. My front tyre is a City Ride from Continental. It's 700 by 47C, so that's like what, 1.75. That's pretty cool. I'm just waiting for Continental to send me some comfort contacts. There will be 54C, so that's 20. That'll be 2.2, which will be even bigger. But no, they got a nice clearance. Still got some more tyre clearance in there, which is really cool. Going along the top tube, up here, we've got a Resist 27.2 pivotal seat post from Resist onto a Sadio Fat Boy saddle, which is quite cool, quite nice. Imported from America. Fuck, did you see the size of that spider? That was a massive spider.
No, I didn't see it.
Anyway, yeah, this saddle's really cool. Quite like it. It's nice and spongy. A few stickers: the Grime, Cranks Brothers, Odyssey, 14 Bike Code, Thompson, that one there. 6D free fix. Vans, always like the van. Check the Vans. These bad boys right here. Always wearing the Vans. And the Lab, pretty rad BMX shop. Down to the bottom bracket, right here, I've got a profile Spanish bottom bracket in there, which is really cool. I've got my cranks are profile 48 tooth spline drive sprocket, which is this is a 36 tooth, but on a 48 tooth spline. So 36. And got some profile no boss crank arms with a Deity 165mm spindle. There's a whole story behind the spindle, because I had to get a really long one, otherwise the chain wheel would rub rub on the chain stays. So I had to get a really big spindle inside. Got Superstar bolts that go through there from the Lab. Got some Eclat blue pedals with my very own Locke denim custom made one of a kind big top straps, hand built in Bournemouth. So they're pretty cool. They've got the denim on there, which is pretty rad. That's really cool. Got a KMC cool chain. Really liking this chain right now. It looks pretty beastie. On the back, I've got another Sadio Super Spark hub with laced with the same spokes, and another P35 on the back. Another City Ride tyre, 47C. It's pretty cool. Lots of clearance, as you can probably see on the back. Loads of clearance there and down there as well. Could fit an elephant in there. Over here on the back, I've got a 14 tooth Sadio cog with a Sadio lock ring. Again, female bolts on the hub, which is rad as fuck. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it right there. And some inner tubes. Got some inner tubes in there as well. And these have got Schrader valves. Schrader valves, mate. Pretty sick. Sort of gone for the matte and gloss look. So it's best of both worlds right there. It's my bike. I just want to say a quick thank you to Skids Clothing, Jordan, Trent from Bournemouth for making me those straps. Thank you to John from 14 Bike Co. Thank you to Thompson. Thank you to iRide. Thank you to Continental. And yeah. And thank you to Max Barrow for building the wheels for me. Really appreciate that. Max Barrow in Stonehenge Cycles. And hot damn. Yeah. That's my bike.